Hello.
Yeah, sir, covered but not very confident in it.
Okay, okay, no worry, no worry. Just do with this session and solve with us the questions which we have in this slides. So you will be easy to solve your graded and you will get a concept how to solve the uniform, how to solve the exponential questions.
So for continuous variable, if it is asked that for exactly at one
Point.
x, that probability will be
Okay.
0, na sir?
Yeah, it will be 0.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Because see, if you go with the integration thing, do you know about integration?
Yeah, we have to integrate
Yeah.
in the range A to B.
Yeah.
Uh,
Suppose you have to find. Suppose I'm saying you have to find that the probability A less than x less than b. Okay, that will be integration of A to B fx dx, right?
yes, sir.
And suppose I'm saying in the place of b we have A to A. That means you have to integrate lower limit
Yes,
will
sir.
be a and upper limit also be a. Then
Yes.
suppose what will be the value of this after solving the integration? You suppose after solving the integration you got x, for example. Then your answer will be x. Lower limit will be a, upper limit will be a. So it will be a minus a, that will be 0.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, there are 20 students, 23 students who have joined. So let's wait for a couple of seconds. After that, we will start the session. Okay. And so till then, can you tell me what is the PDF of uniform distribution? Hello,
Sir?
anyone?
Sir?
Yeah, please. Go ahead. Yeah,
Sir,
yeah.
is there any revision session before term 1 exam?
Yeah, there will be revision session which will be taken by the somewhere. Okay.
When?
I think it's on 25th, Friday.
Okay.
Okay. Friday 7 to 9 will be revision session. It will be conducted by Usam. Okay. And
Okay.
mock session and rest demand session we will. And there is
I think
another
it will be
demand
notified
session
on Google
which
Calendar.
is on. Yeah, it will be notified. I think it's updated from our side. If you see. Let me check. Yeah, it's updated in our calendar. You can check. Okay, on Friday, 7 to 9.
Sir, what is
And
the usage
tomorrow,
of phantom?
okay, you can say approximately from 1 to 6 week, 50%, and from rest of the week, 50%.
Sir, please repeat. 1 to which week?
I said
50%?
1 to 6, so you can say 1 to 6, 1 to 7, it will cover approximately 50%, and from
Okay.
8 to 12, it will cover approximately. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, there are 31 students who are 32. Okay, let's wait for one more minute after this. Yeah, actually, I was asking about the PDF of uniform distribution. Anyone?
1 by B minus A, sir. That is, if it is from
Okay,
A
that's
to B.
nice. And yeah. And what is the mean of, expectation of the uniform distribution?
Sir, it is A plus
A plus B by 2.
A plus B by 2. Okay, and you can find this formula by integrating expectation of x equal to integration of x into fx dx, right? And what will be the variance?
B minus A
B
covered
minus
by
A
12.
whole square divided by 2.
I think your voice is breaking.
B minus A whole
minus
square
A
by
square
12.
by 12.
By 12. And CDF is nothing but x minus a divided by b minus.
Yes.
Okay. And similarly for exponential distribution, mean will be
1 by lambda.
yeah 1 by lambda, or you can say one
1 by lambda.
you can say 1 by parameter.
1 by
1 by parameter is whatever is the parameter, and variance will be 1 by lambda
1 by
square.
lambda
Okay.
square.
Yeah, and what is the CDF?
1 minus
1 by lambda square. No?
1 minus e to the
I'm-
power of minus lambda e.
Lambda x. Yeah,
X.
lambda a. Yeah. Okay. So if you know concept are very clearly explained by the map, and you if you remember these 5 6 formula, then you will be able to solve the questions easily. And uniform and exponential questions are not you can identify in a easy way actually. Okay, so I
So the
think we can start
exponential
this
part
class.
is not very clear, sir.
Yes, sir, same.
The uniform
Something
we are
like-
able to understand. How,
Okay.
yeah, exponential is quite.
Actually, see, in the exponential question, you can say there is something. First thing, term exponential will be mentioned. Okay, like these things it exponentially increase, these things it exponentially distributed, kind of thing will be there. Then you can understand. Yeah, this is the exponential distribution. After that, just check what is the given. Mean is given, or its value of parameter is given. Then it's asking about nothing, just yeah, at least probability, at most probability kind of thing. And those things you can directly use by CDF formula, or you are familiar with the integration, so you can do with the integration as well. Okay, suppose I'm asking about probability x less or equal to a. Suppose a probability x less or equal to 3. So what is this? Probability x less or equal to any point is nothing but the CDF. Okay, so you can directly apply the formula of CDF. Yeah, mock will be conducted on, I think, I don't remember the exact date. Okay, you will be notified. Yeah, so that's and you are familiar with the this peer deck session. You will face this below corner how to enter the answer and all things. Okay, so this is the first question. If you see in the question, it is clearly mentioned that lifetime of bulb. Then so exponential is something when life of something, timing of something, it will be mentioned. Yeah, time will be time is exponentially distributed, time is uniformly distributed. That kind of things will be there. Okay, so it's related on the exponential distribution, and just try to solve this. Okay, you have I think 6 to 7 minutes more will be more than enough. Okay, please solve this. Yeah, actually, there are only 49 people have joined. The rest of people who have not joined, uh, join not joined yet, kindly join on your phone or laptop. Kindly enter joinpd.com, and after that you have to enter the code, this top right corner code LEYVXI. Okay, just join this so that you can solve all the questions, and you can try. We will see the solution also. And if you solve with us during this whole session, so you will be able to solve the graded one also. You will be, your concept of exponential uniform will be more clear. Okay, so kindly join this.
Sir? Hello. Sir?
I think sir is disconnected. Sir, are you there?
I think he has gone somewhere.
Yeah, hello.
Sir, actually, I want
Yeah.
to clear the confusion that should I use in that type of problem, should I use the formula for ex to the power n for exponential
E raised for
distribution?
n?
There is a formula that n by lambda expectation value of x to the power n.
Yeah, see. That formula is for general. Means expectation of x raised to power n is something. Okay.
Okay.
But this here you cannot I think use the that formula. I think. Okay, that is something. There was formula like expectation of x raised power n equal to, I think it was something n by lambda into something. Exactly, I will not remember that thing. But
Okay.
here you can directly use the probability things. Here is the twist in this. You have to identify the meaning of at most t month. If you got these things, then you will easily solve the question.
Yes.
Okay, so try to think
Okay.
about the what is meaning of at most t.
Okay.
Sir, I am done, sir.
Okay, nice. There are only 32 responses. So let's wait for a couple of minutes because this is the something where you have to go together. I mean, you have to try whether it will be wrong or right. Don't worry about that. We will see the solution. We will see the concept as well. Okay. Are all of you able to solve this question, right? Got the concept of how to solve this
Yes, sir.
So what's the formula for CDFs of
for of
exponential?
exponential? It's 1
CDF
minus
of
e
x.
raised for, yeah. See, it's 1 minus e raised
Yes,
for minus lambda times x.
Yes.
is x.
Yeah. And X is something you suppose I'm saying you have to find probability x less or equal to small x. So it will be 1 minus e raised power minus lambda times small x. Suppose I'm saying probability x less or equal to a point A. Okay, then it will be 1 minus e raised power minus lambda times A. Is
Right.
it clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, next.
So we can get it by integrating fx, sir.
Yeah, you
That
can
lambda
do.
into e
Yeah.
to the power minus lambda into t.
Yeah, you can find it by integration. See, direct use of CDF is for suppose I think who people will not aware of the integration.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Not
Yeah.
familiar with integration. Then that person can directly use the CDF. And in this, we have prepared questions like such that you
We
can
can
solve by
directly use.
using
Yes,
directly
sir.
CDF.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, that is the framing of questions. Actually, exponential and uniform is easy one, I think,
Yes, sir.
because you can easily identify the things, and there is only 3 to 4 formulas. The concept behind
Once you
all
are
the formula, yeah,
then
concept
after you can
behind the
apply it
formula
easy,
you
sir.
must know, and if you have to remember the formula, then it will be more easy to solve the questions
Yes.
within minute. Okay, so I think let me see the responses. Okay, 11 people with option A, 20 with only 9 people are option C. See, in the question, what is given? It's clearly mentioned that lifetime of light bulb is exponentially distributed. Okay, with a mean life of 18 months. So,
Yes,
what
sir.
is the mean of the exponential distribution?
1 upon
1 by
lambda.
lambda.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So, your 1 by lambda is given, right?
Yes, sir.
So, see, your 1 by lambda is given 18 months. So, what will be the value of the lambda? It will be 1 by 18. Just a simple mathematics.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, in the question, it is given that there is a 60% chance that a light bulb will last at most 3 months. At most 3 months means it will not exceed the T. Okay. That means your probability X less or equal to T is nothing but is just 60%, which is you can write a 0.6. It's okay.
Yes, sir.
And you know what is this probability X less or equal to T? It's nothing but the CDF of the
At
exponential
most t.
distribution. Yeah, and you know the CDF of distribution, exponential distribution, it's nothing but 1 minus e raised to the power minus lambda times T.
Yeah.
Okay, which is 0.6. Now, see, you can take 0.6 to the left side, it will be 0.4, and the one side it will become e raised to power minus lambda T. Okay, till this point is clear to everyone?
Sir, how 1 by lambda equal to 18?
See, what is in the question? It says with a mean life of 18 months, right? And mean of the exponential distribution is nothing but 1 by lambda.
Yes, sir. Expectation.
Expectation value.
Yeah.
Okay.
Expectation is nothing but long run mean.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So 1 by lambda is given as 18. So what will be the value of lambda? It will be 1 by 18. Now clear?
Okay, but 1 by lambda is when the expectation value of n equal to 0, I think.
No, sorry.
Actually, ma'am told us that expectation value ex to the power n, there is a general formula, and if n value of n is 0, then it is 1 by lambda, I think.
No. You are wrong. Where n will be n 1, then it will be 1 by lambda.
What is that n actually? I'm also having doubt. What is
See,
n
see,
means
see.
actually?
No, see. You guys are talking about the general formula of expectation x raised for n, right?
Yeah, what
Yes,
is that
yes.
n? What is that n?
N is the nothing but see. That formula is introduced to you so that you can easily do the calculation for expectation of x square. Suppose I'm asking about the in any question, calculate the expectation of x cube, x raised for 3, right? Then you know the formula of expectation of x raised for n is nothing but n by lambda into expectation of x raised for n minus 1, right?
Okay,
So just
understood.
put the 3 in the place of n. Okay.
Yes, clear.
Okay, see. Just see the solution of this question, and after that I will describe those formula. Okay. See, now it's clear. This point is clear. Probability of x less or equal to 3 at most t means it will not exceed the t. Okay. And what is the meaning of probability x less or equal to t? Nothing but CDF of exponential distribution. And what is the CDF of exponential distribution is 1 minus e raised power minus lambda times t, right? Equal to 0.6. And if this 0.6 will come left side, it will become 0.4, 1 minus 0.6, and this e raised power minus lambda t will be positive, right? According to your option, these are not the option. So just take the log on both sides. Okay. So when you take the log on both sides, so it will become lambda t equal to log 2.5. What is the 2.5? When you will take the log of 0.4, it will be 2.5. Okay. And what is the value of lambda? Lambda value of the lambda is 1 by 18 times t equal to ln 2.5, and when 18 will be transformed to the right hand side, it will become 18 times ln 2.5, which will be the value of t. It's clear?
How
Yeah,
it
yeah,
became
yeah.
2.5?
Yeah.
How it became
See,
2.5?
see, see, see. One second. Let me connect my device. One second. Just give me. Yeah, hello.
Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please. Just one second. Yeah. What was initially e raised power minus lambda t equal to 0.4. Okay. So it was e raised power minus lambda t equal to 0.4. Okay. First, this one, just a minute. This was initially it was this one. Okay. So can I write it as 1 minus 0.6 equal to e raised power minus lambda t? Right.
Yes, sir.
So it will become 0.4 equal to e raised power minus lambda t, which is nothing but this one. Okay. So see, can I write it as 1 by e raised power lambda t and equal to 0.4? You know this one? Suppose 1
Yes,
by
sir.
x can be written as
Yes,
x
yes.
raised power minus 1, right? So can I write this one? 1 by 0.4 becomes e raised power lambda t. This 0.4, if you take the in the denominator, then it will go on this side.
Yes,
Got
yes.
this? Okay. And
Yes.
what is the value of I think it will be 2.5, right? Okay.
Actually, e power
If you
minus
see,
lambda t
yeah,
equals to 0.4. There only I kept 1 by 18 direct.
1 by what?
1 by 18, right? Lambda equals to 1 by 18.
So you can take your 1 by 18. No issue. See, I used lambda and I will put the value of lambda at the end. That's it. Okay. Till this point, it's clear to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose I took the log on both sides, it will become ln 2.5 and ln e raised to power lambda t, right? And you know, it will be simply lambda times t. There is formula ln e raised to power x is nothing but x.
Yes.
Okay. So it will be ln 2.5 equal to lambda t. You have lambda t equal to ln 2.5 and value of lambda is 1 by 18 times t equal to ln 2.5. So it will be t equal to 18 times ln 2.5. That is the answer. It's clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And someone has asked about this formula. See, this is the something ma'am has told for, in general way. Suppose I have to find the expectation of x square, so you can directly find that as this one. Okay. And suppose I'm saying expectation of x, so it will be 1 by lambda expectation of x raised for 0 and something for 0 means 1. So expectation of x will be 1 by lambda. That is the concept behind that. Okay.
So I have one question on this.
Yeah, please.
That in this question it was written that at most. So if it would be written
Yeah.
like at least, it would be greater than. So in that
See,
case also we will write
what
1
is,
minus
what is meaning of at most?
less than equal
Suppose
to.
I'm saying at most 3. See, no. Suppose you have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay. And suppose I'm saying at most 3 means you cannot exceed 3. You have to go with only this 3 means
Yes, sir.
x less or equal to 3. You cannot exceed 3. You have to come only at most 3 means your maximum limit will be 3, right? And suppose I'm saying at least 1. At least 1 means 1 should be there, but it can exceed the 1. Means at least 1 means it can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 4, and whatever the upper limit is there. So at least 1 means probability will be x less or equal, probability x greater or equal to 1 means 1 should be there, and it can no, it can be go more than 1. Is
So in
it clear
that
to
case
everyone?
also we will use the same formula, 1 minus e to the power minus lambda.
You can do it like 1 minus probability x less or equal to 1, and for this you can use the CDF part. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah, please.
sir, when value of n equal to 0, then ex equal to 1 by lambda. Hello?
No. When your n is 1.
n is 1. Okay. Then you
Yeah.
just assume that 1 by lambda equal to 18. Then n is the number of year in this problem.
What is this? N is?
What is the value of
No,
n?
no. Not 18. N is not 18. And see what is, see, read this line carefully. With a mean life of 18 months means expectation expectation value of that lifetime of light bulb is 18 months, not 18 bulb. Okay.
Okay.
See what is, how you can interpret the x. X is nothing but lifetime of light bulb. Okay. And
And
in the
n?
question
n?
in the question it is given that mean life of this light bulb is the 18 months. Okay. And
Okay.
what is the expectation of x of exponential distribution is 1 by lambda. It's clear?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So let's move for this second question. Yeah. So solid, I think 4 to 5 minutes will be more than enough. There is this is again something you can know interpret with the given CDF.
Good evening, sir.
So you can join it now. No worry about that. And are you aware to how to join this peer tech?
Yes, sir. So actually, I
Yes.
came
So
late. That's
kindly
the
join.
reason I was unable to join.
No issue. Just join this. Okay. And this is the second question. Okay. So you can do the rest of the questions from this onwards.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Are you able to do this question?
Yes, sir.
Well, but there are only 21 responses still. Okay, I will wait 1 more minute for this question. After that, we can proceed, right? Or should I wait for little bit? Yeah, see, peer deck code is this top right corner code LEY VXI. This code is, yeah, you have to enter. Yeah, LEY VXI. Okay. Okay, so are you people trying this question for this question, or we have to proceed?
Sir, we are done, sir.
Not done, sir.
You can move to the solution.
Okay, let me see the responses first. Okay, 22 people with the option 2. Yeah, see what is the this PDF? Can you tell me which this PDF which distribution belongs to?
Exponential.
Exponential. That's right. And see, in the question it has asked that, and what is the value of the parameter here? I mean, value of the lambda?
Minus
Lambda is half.
1 by 2.
No, it's 1 by half. Oh, sorry, 1 by 2, not
1 by 2.
minus 1 by 2. Okay. If you remember
So the mean will be 2, sir.
If you remember this PDF of the, it's nothing but lambda e raised to minus lambda x, and lambda should be greater than 0 and x should be greater or equal to 0. And here PDF given is half e raised to minus x by 2.
Sir,
So if you compare
then greater than 0, sir, equal to 0.
Yeah.
Lambda can be equal to 0.
No, suppose a lambda is equal to 0, then what will be the PDF? 0. What is there is anything? Now.
So it will not be exponential function, sir.
Yes. That's why lambda should be.
But in the video, it's mentioned greater than or equals to 0.
Is it?
Yes.
Greater than 0. Lambda should be greater than 0.
Oh, it is mentioned x is greater than equal to 0, not lambda.
Yeah, x should be greater or equal to 0. Lambda should be
greater than 0.
Greater than,
Lambda
than 0.
Lambda should be greater than 0.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. And for this, if you compare this from it, so lambda will be half. Okay. And in the question, it's you have to find the probability that time between calls exceeds the mean time. Means what you have to find? Anyone?
So the mean is 2, sir.
Mean is 2, yeah.
Mean is 2.
Yes, mean is 2.
Beyond that, I couldn't.
Okay. And you have to find the probability. Yeah, and you have to find the probability x greater or equal to 2.
Yes.
Sir. Okay.
1
and
minus CDF.
Yeah, here the things is written in general. This probability x greater or equal to t will be e raised to minus lambda t. Are you agree with this? Yes. Okay. And for this probability x greater or equal to 2, you have to find the probability x greater or equal to 2. Are you agree with this? Yes. Okay. And for this probability x greater or equal to 2, you have to find the probability x greater or equal to 2. getting this equation?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, tell me what
It is
is
1
the
minus.
value of probability x? See, what will be this? It will be 1 minus this one,
Yes, sir.
right? And suppose I'm saying instead of this one, I'm writing it as e raised to power minus lambda t equal to 1 minus probability x less or equal to t. Okay. Can I write these things as probability x greater than t?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if your x greater or equal to 2, it will be e raised to power minus lambda t. Okay. So that is the thing say. And instead of t, I can take as probability x greater or equal to 2, because in the question it has asked about the it exceeds the mean time, and your mean time is nothing but 2. So it will be e raised to power minus lambda. I mean it will be minus 2 lambda, and it will be minus 2 lambda. So lambda is nothing but 1 by 2. So it will be e raised to power minus 2 into 1 by 2. That will be e raised to power minus 1. Okay.
Sir,
See, you can put you can put the value of lambda and 1 by lambda here, or in general it is cancelled out here. Okay.
sir, I have a question.
Yeah, please.
Sir, I have a question. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Yeah, so in that formula, we got that x is greater than t is equal to e raised to power minus lambda t. So are we assuming that at x is equal to
Yes.
t, also the probability is 0, so it wouldn't make a difference?
Can you repeat?
When you derive the formula for p's, a probability of x is greater than t, and then we took it as x is greater than equal to t also. It's the same thing.
Yeah, it's the same thing, because in continuous random variable, it does not matter it's whether it's less or equal to or not. Okay.
Yeah, because at x is equal to t would be 0 anyhow, right?
Same as actually. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. So it's clear. This question is clear to everyone, right?
No, sir, I didn't understand this p of x is greater than equal to t and how it got e raised to minus lambda t.
See, what is this? What I told you know? Do you know these things?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you took this e raised to power minus lambda t to this left hand side. So can I write this e raised to power minus lambda t equal to, and this quantity to right hand side, it will become 1 minus probability x less or equal to t, and 1 minus probability x less or equal to t. Can I write it as these things as probability x greater than t?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it.
Is it okay? Got it. Okay, so let's move for the next question. And this is a very easy one. I think you can do within a second also. So I will wait. I think one or 2 minutes will be. You can just read the question. You will give the answer very quickly.
Sir, the answer will be 1 by 4.
Whatever your answer is coming, just enter this. Okay. After that, we will see the solution.
Sir, should I enter the answer in decimal or in fraction, sir?
You can enter it. I think in decimal, but answer will not come in decimal at all. but you can enter this whatever you are getting.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. There are 19 responses. This is for this question. I think you are taking a lot of time, but you can read the question carefully. You will guess the answer directly. Okay, are you trying? So should I wait or I can proceed?
Proceed, sir, please.
Proceed, sir.
Sir, 1 minute.
Yeah, please. Okay, just tell me if you are doing the things. Because see, this is the something we have to do together. So you can do with us. Okay, so see the responses.
Done, sir.
Five, 0.2515. Someone had entered one. I think you are not familiar with this concept. Okay, so just tell me, what it will see this. It is clear to everyone. Like this is the uniform distribution.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm audible clearly to everyone.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. See, your x is nothing but is uniformly distributed between 12 p.m. and 2 p.m. Okay. Suppose this is the timing. Suppose I'm taking as A and B, right?
Yes, sir.
And can you tell me what is the value of probability? How do you find this one? Integration of A to B
Yes.
fx dx.
XDX. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
What will be this A to B? 1 upon B minus A something and dx. Okay.
X minus.
And it will be 1 upon B minus A to B 1 dx. So it will be nothing but equal to 1 upon B minus A into X. Okay. A to B. If you do this, it will be B minus A divided by B minus A. Right?
Yes, sir.
Something this. Suppose instead of this B minus A,
Then it will be equal to 1.
what do you have? See, you have to find the probability between 12:30 to 12:30, right? And you know the probability at a singleton point in a continuous random variable, what will be what?
0.
That's it. What is this? 12:30 to 12:30. Okay. Suppose I take it as a C. Okay. Any C, and it will be 1 upon B minus A, 1 into dx. So it will be 1 upon B minus A. Your, it will be X C to C, right? So what will be this value of you if you put this C in the place of X, C minus C, you will get it as 0. And you can remember, see, in the continuous things, probability at a singleton point is nothing but the 0.
Sir?
Yeah.
Sir, if the question is calculate the probability from 12 to 12:30, then?
Then it will, you have to find the value.
But this was not discussed in the lecture, sir.
Sorry?
It was not discussed in the lecture, I thought.
It's ma'am has clearly explained to you. You watch the, there is some.
Yeah, madam told that.
So
Yeah,
there
and
so many words.
kindly mute, I think.
Can I mute? Maybe I missed it, sir.
Yeah. See, ma'am has clearly explained this. See, you know how to find these things. Okay. You can easily find this A to B f of x dx, whatever this PDF it. Okay.
Yeah.
Can you calculate this one? Okay.
Yes, sir.
And suppose, so you know, if you do the integration of fx, and at the end you have to put the value of this upper limit and lower limit kind of thing. Okay. Suppose your uniform distribution is 1 by half. For example, your fx is half. For example. Okay. It's clear. Then what will be things? It will be 8. It will be half A to B 1 into dx. Okay. And it will be half. If you integrate the 1, it will be x A to B. Right. So it will be half B minus A. So instead of A to B, it is asking about at a single point means between this to this. Okay. What will be this?
Yes, sir. I'm getting
A minus A.
Single point
Okay.
area.
Yeah.
Is 0.
Yes. So for a continuous random variable, probability at a singleton point will be always 0. For a continuous distribution. Okay. It is clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir,
okay,
in previous,
so we can.
Sir.
Yeah, please.
In previous explanation, where you took fx as 1 by b minus a.
Okay.
If we integrate further it, we will end up with value 1.
Yeah, it will be one when it this both values are same, but for this particular case it will be 1. Okay. For example, your lower limit of this b and a are another thing, and this b and a are different thing. Then you will get the value whatever it is. Okay? But for this one, you will get the same. I mean 1.
Oh, okay, sir. Oh,
okay.
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 Me,
So
it's
this
not
is the nothing
clear.
but.
For me, it's not
Sorry?
clear. For me, this question is not clear. I calculated as from 12 o'clock till 12:30, it's 25%, 0.25 probability.
Why do you calculate the 12 o'clock to 12:30?
Because it's uniformly distributed from 12 till 2 o'clock, right?
Yeah, one second.
So what concept that we have, what I have used this same problem what Sandhya had. from 12 to 2, the probability is 1. So in between at 1 p.m. it's 0.5. So at 12:30 it would
Yes.
be 0.25. Am I right?
Yes, I also calculated the same way.
Yeah, yeah, please. Can you repeat? Sorry, hello?
Actually, this is the uniform distribution. So 12 to 2
Yes.
o'clock, it will be 100%, right? Probability is 1. So 12 till 1, the train reaching probability is 50%. And 12 to 12:30, it is 25%. So the probability is 0.25. 25% chance is there. At 12:30, the train will reach the station.
See.
That's what I understood.
Can you are no. That is the not a correct. Actually, what is your x? X is time that Jan Shatabdi Express will reach the railway station is uniformly distributed between 12 p.m. and 2 p.m. Okay.
Yes.
So what
A
is your x?
12 and B is 2 o'clock. Yes.
It's okay.
Yes.
This is the your something lower limit and upper limit. But see, in general, A, B should be greater than. See, this is the something timing. Here 12 is greater than 2, but if you see in timing, so you can take it as 14. Okay, are you getting my points? And mean is, suppose your x follows uniform A comma B, then B should be greater than A. This is something, but don't go with these number because this is the something. This is about timing.
2 hours.
Okay.
2 hours.
No, we took it as only time
Yeah,
duration.
you can take it as
2 hours. I took it as time duration. It's only 2 hours.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's 0 to 2 hours. A will be. Okay?
Yes, true.
It's clear.
Yes. Clear.
And see, what is the meaning of suppose it reaches at 12:30? Okay. What is it 12:30? 12:30 you are saying 1/4?
Yes. There is a 25% chance that the train will reach the station at 12:30.
But see, you are interpreting in a different way. Here you are interpreting in hours.
In example
so
also, what I understood from the videos, ma'am's videos, I understood that only because the way the ma'am explained.
No. Try to understand me.
Actually, ma'am told us
here you
that
got the,
we can solve
suppose,
graphically also.
See, you can interpret as train is reaching 0 to 2 hours. Okay.
Yes.
And suppose instead of asking at 12:30 p.m. and I'm saying train will reaches exactly 1/4 of the time.
Sir, can I say that?
Okay.
Because the question is asked exactly 12:30, that's why it's 0. But if the question would be asked if the train has reached by before 12:30 or less than 12:30, then 0.25 would be the right answer, right?
Then then you have to calculate the something probability thing. See, if you see, I'm saying train, what is the probability that train reaches exactly 12:30 means exactly is at a singleton point. If you go with the concept of continuous random variable, probability at a singleton point is nothing but is just 0. Right?
Yes.
It's clear. And you are considering at a exactly 12:30. So it will be lower limit and upper limit will be same.
Okay.
Let it be. You are doing like 12, 12:30, 1, 1:30 and 2 like that. You are saying it will be 1/4.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So suppose I'm asking what will the probability that your x will be. See, what is the probability that your x will be exactly 0.25? So tell me this value of this thing. 2.5 hour, 0.25.
12:30.
Sorry?
I'm not.
In 12 to 12:30.
12:30.
No. See. What will be the probability that this thing?
0.
0.
We want
See.
CDFs to
Yes,
tell.
sir. It will be 0, sir, because both the
See,
limits will be same.
See, listen to me.
Limit
Listen to me. For
integral.
x follow uniform 0 to 2, what will be your PDF? 1/2.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
So I'm saying, just tell me value of this.
0. It will be 0 only.
It will be 0 only, sir.
Now clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. I think
Thank you,
question
sir.
was asked by Sandhya, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
Sandhya. Sandhya, now it's clear
Yeah.
to you?
Yeah. If the question is,
Okay.
what is the probability that the train will reach by 12:30? Like that, if it asks, not exactly what is not there.
At most 12:30.
See,
It should be.
suppose I'm asking about it will reach before 12:30,
Before
then it will be
12:30
x
or
less or
after
equal to
12:30.
12:30. Yeah,
Yes.
then you have to
-.
apply the CDF of things. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Sir, if it
Now it's clear to everyone.
sir, if it says the train will reach exactly at 12:45, then it will be 0.
It exactly 12:45. I'm saying it will reach exactly 1 p.m. Again, it will be 0 because probability for in a continuous random variable, probability at a singleton point will always be 0.
So key point is, if in question exactly is there, then it's easy to solve.
Yes, yes. If things are like exactly at this point, and that point is a single point, then the area under the curve at a particular instant value of x is always 0. Because if you see, what is this meaning of this one? Probability of a less than x less than b is nothing but something this. Okay. Okay. This is
Yes,
the
sir.
area. Okay, and suppose I am asking the area at this point, only at this point. What will be the area at this point?
0.
0.
At a.
That's it. Okay. Suppose this was 12 p.m. and it was 2 p.m. and asking what you have to find exactly 12:30, not between this, exactly at the any point. Okay, then it will be 0. Okay, so this is the something which is again related to the uniform distribution, because you see it's clearly mentioned that. So just do this, okay? And
Sir,
in uniform distribution, you yeah, please.
Sir, actually at a particular point, as you said, it will be 0. Like instead of 12:30 also, if it asks for 12:45, again it will be 0, because at a particular point it always becomes 0,
Yeah.
right? Rather than if it specifies an interval, then we can see the area under
Yeah.
the
Then suppose I'm saying less than, at least, at more, then you will have the upper limit and lower limit. But when I ask at a single point, at a particular point, then it will be 0. Because at a single point, what will be the area? Do you get any area?
Yes, yes, yes.
Just think.
Yeah.
At a single point, do you get any area? No.
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So for this question, I think.
Yeah, first lecture, I think Madam has told this fact.
Yeah. This fact has actually clearly explained by the man, but you can think for this one. Okay, when you ask about between 2 points, then you can calculate the area there under the curve. But when I ask only at a single point, then what will be the area? Nothing. Single point will be at x-axis. Suppose I am asking the area at this point, only this point. What will be this? Nothing. Okay. So see, just tell me, it's clear to you or not?
Yes, sir.
You
Yes, sir.
can tell me. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
For me, actually, I don't know.
So
There is a
do
lot
this
of
one.
confusion in this week. That's what
Why?
I don't
No,
know.
no. Why confusion?
Maybe because of time constraint, I couldn't focus much.
See. Yeah. Just you can you can just understand the concept behind all the formulas, and there are 3-4 formulas you can remember. If you remember that 4-5 formulas, then you can directly solve the question. You have to just remember this. Suppose your x follows uniform a comma b, here a should be less than b, then your pdf will be something this. Your mean will be I think a plus b by 2. Correct me if somehow if I'm wrong, by 12. And you know the CDF is nothing but probability x less than equal to x. It's always x minus a divided by b minus a. That is the formula. X is something, this value, and a this lower limit, and b this upper limit. And suppose your x follow exponential lambda, then what will be the PDF? It will be lambda e raised power minus lambda x. The lambda will be greater than 0 and x should be greater or equal to 0. Your mean will be 1 by lambda, and your variance will be 1 by lambda square, and your CDF will be 1 minus e raised power minus lambda. Suppose this axis, this one. Suppose I write it a, so it will be a. So that is the thing. And if I do like this one, so it will be minus this. So these are the only 3 to 4 formula, and in any question this will be given, this will be given. You have to ask about the value of a and b. Suppose I'm asking about the probability x less or equal to any point t, then you can directly apply this formula, CDF formula, because probability x less or equal to something, nothing but the CDF one. And suppose I'm asking probability x greater than t, so you can write it as 1 minus probability x less or equal to t. And for this quantity, you can use the CDF formula and subtract by 1. You will get your required answer. That is nothing but things in the week 12. And for more clarification, you can watch the lecture video. You will get the concept behind the uniform exponential type of things. Okay, and there will be more session tomorrow. I will take on-demand session on Gmail regarding week 11 and 12. There we will discuss the things. Okay, so just you can remember these things. If you can remember, then you will solve the questions easily. And you can find this expectation variant and CDF things by integration also. But for quick things, you can remember the value. Okay. Okay, just do this. I think after after end of the session, you will get more idea. Okay, just do this question. are you able to understand the meaning of this question? What you have to find, what you have to give?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So see, find the expectation. You must have the value of A and B. I mean, value of the parameters of the uniform distribution. So with the help of given variance and apply the variance formula, and with the given, this probability value, you can find the value of the A and B, and after that, just find the expectation of X. And one things remember, when your X follows uniform A comma B, then your A should be less than B, because B is the something which is upper limit, right? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay.
So you're
So
audible.
just, yeah, thank you for confirm. So just do this, okay? And let me know when you have done.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Okay, okay. I think we should wait
Yes,
because
sir. You
there are
can
many.
move, sir, to the
Okay.
solution, sir.
Yeah. Actually, we can wait because there are only 18 responses.
Okay.
So I think that rest of the people will try. But this is the something where you have to try with us. Okay, you have to solve this. So I will wait. I think for 2 more minutes, and after that we will proceed further. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Let me 43. Okay. A lot of variations. Not majority is no. Okay. So anyone can tell me what is the approach of this question? How did
Yes,
you
sir.
start? Yeah. Okay.
Yes,
Please
sir.
go ahead.
Sir, first of all, we will find the variance is given 3.
Okay.
From there, we can find B minus A.
Okay.
After that, the probability of the match that it will last at most 42 minutes is given. From there, we will find one more equation. And from there, I will get, yes, sir.
Okay. See, variance. Yeah, that is the correct.
Okay, sir.
See, variance is given is 3, and in the question it is given that things are uniformly distributed. So you know the variance of the uniform distribution is nothing but B minus A square divided by 12. Okay, so first of all, for the find the expected time, you need the value of A and B, because expectation of uniform distribution is nothing but A plus B by 2, right? So from here, variance is given. So B minus A whole square divided by 12 equal to 3. So B minus A whole square will be 36. So B minus A will be either plus 6 or minus 6. Okay. So now, and one more thing is in the question, it is given that probability X will, what was the statement? Statement was probability that match will last at most 42 minutes is 1 by 3. At most means it cannot exceed the 42, right? The upper limit of the things is 42. It's given that 1 by 3. And you know what is the probability X less or equal to something? It is X minus A divided by B minus A.
Yes, sir.
Everyone is getting this point? Probability of capital X less or equal to any point is nothing but X minus A divided by B minus A, and your X is 42 minus A divided by B minus A equal to 1 by 3. From here, see, B minus A, you have to use 6, not minus 6, because if you take the B minus A minus 6, then A will be less than B. So it, then a condition of A should be less than B will be violated.
Yeah,
right?
That's why we will discard that.
So yeah, then that's why you have to use the B minus A only 6. So B minus A will be 6. Then this 6 will become to the right hand side. It will become 6 by 3. So your equation will be 42 minus A equal to 2. From where A will be 40. So B will be 46. Okay, because you have to use the B minus A equal to 6. Suppose I am using the B minus A equal to minus 6. Then what will be the value of B? Value of B will be 34 minus 30. No, B minus A equal to minus 6. So it will be B minus 40 equal to minus 6. No, see.
Already given in the question, sir.
You got the, you got the this. You got, you got these things, right? So B minus A, we will use the, these things will be here by 3. Okay, so B minus A, we have to use this 6, because if you use minus 6, for example, so it will be minus 6 by 3, it will be minus 2. So you will get 42 minus A equal to minus 2. You will get A as 40, A will be your 44. Okay, and when you will put this in this equation, so you will get 44 minus 6, it will be 38. So your B is the less than A. So this condition is not satisfied. That's why we have to use the B minus A as 6, not minus 6. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So from here you got A equal to 40. and put the value of a in the b minus a equal to 6, then you will get b as 46. Now you got the value of a, you got the value of b, you have just find the expectation of x. So expectation of x, you know what it is. This is nothing but a plus b by 2. So 40 plus 46 by 2, which will be 43, right? This question is clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So any doubt regarding this question or till this point, or we can proceed further?
Yeah, sir, we can proceed, sir.
Okay, is it okay to everyone? Yeah, this is the something which is nice question. So just no, be careful what is given and what you have to find. Okay, I think 6 to 7 minutes will be more than enough. So just do this. Okay, you are given the two things, expectation and variance, and you are asking the value of a into b. Here a b means a into b. You have to find the value of a into b. Okay.
Yes, sir, done, sir.
Okay, so how many of you done? There are only 17 responses, right? Just wait for one more minute. Okay? Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So
Go ahead, sir.
yeah. Let's see. 24, 24, 5. Okay. Near about. Okay, see. Your expectation is given, right? What is this? Expectation is 6. So you know the formula of expectation. It's a plus b by 2. So your a value of a plus b will be 12, right? And you know the formula of variance b minus a raised to power whole square divided by 12 is given to you as 4. So this 12 will be multiplied to this 4. It will be 48. So your value of b minus a whole square will be 48. See, you have the this value of b minus a whole square. So it will be convenient to do the b plus a whole square, right? So you can easily find the value of a into b. Otherwise you can do like b equal to 12 minus a and put the value of b as 12 minus a in this equation, and you will get the value of a. Then put the value of a in any one of the equation, you will get the value of b, and then multiply the both value. Okay, either that way, or you can like do in this way. You have the value of b minus a whole square, and a smart approach will be you have this value, so you can do like b plus a whole square, so it will be 144, right? So just simply do the minus of b plus a whole square minus b minus raised to the whole square. So it will be 144 minus 48, and you know what is the value of this thing. This, what is this? This is quantity of something. Uh, do you know this formula? Uh, a square minus b square, nothing but a plus b into a minus b, right? So here you had a plus b whole square minus b minus a whole square. So a plus b means plus of these two quantity means a plus b plus b minus a into a minus b means this quantity minus this quantity. It will be a plus b minus b plus a. Here b will be cancelled out, here a will be cancelled out. So it will be 2b into 2a. It will be 4a times b. Okay. So your value of 4a times b is nothing but 96. So value of AB will be 96 by 4, which will be nothing but 24. It's clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Clear, sir.
Okay. Or another approach you can do like this. You had initially you had a plus b as 12 and b minus a whole square as I think it was 48, right? So from here you can do like value of b as 12 minus a. So you can put this value in this one, 12 minus a whole square as 48. So it will be
That
12
will be too
minus 2a
time
whole
consuming, sir.
square. Yeah,
Complicated.
that will be little bit complicated. Yeah, but you can you will get the same value. Okay, so we can proceed for the next question, right?
Yes, sir. So
Yeah.
we can.
Yeah, this is the nice question. You have to find just find the value of k. I think 3 to 4 minutes will be more than enough. And do you know how to find the value of constant for PMF or PDF?
Yes, sir.
I'm asking with
Yes,
you.
yes.
Yeah. Okay, just put the things as equal to what? 0, right? Do you have to put equal to 0 or something else?
Why it's given Mardex? Is there any special?
No, there is something things you have to
Modulus.
think. Actually, mod of
Okay.
x less or equal to something means see. Suppose I'm saying mod of x less or equal to a means your x is lies between minus a to
Minus a to a.
right?
Okay.
Okay, this is the sum meaning of the sum. From here you will get the lower limit and upper limit, right? And you know how to find the value of constant. In PMF, you know you have to sum all the PMF equal to h1. So in CDF, sorry, in PDF thing, you have to integrate the CDF or sorry PDF as equal to 1. Then you will get the value of constant. Okay, just do the I think 3 to 4 minutes will be more than enough. Should I wait or we can proceed?
Yeah, we can proceed.
You are trying, so
We are done.
okay, anyone?
Yeah, proceed.
Okay. One second. Okay, so let me solve the responses first. 5.1.1. Okay, see. Point one is the correct answer. Okay. See, your fx is k. Okay. And what is the lower limit and upper limit? It will be -5 to 5. Right? And what will be the k? K will be simply 1 upon b minus a. 1 upon 5 minus 5, it will be 1 by 10. That is the nothing but it will be 0.1. Right?
Yeah.
See, in the question, it is clearly says that where I can solve question paper. See, there is no solve paper up, there is no solve regarding question. Yeah. See, in the question, it should mention the uniform random variable, and you know the PDF of uniform random variable 1 upon b minus a. Okay, so it will be 1 upon 5 minus 5 equal to 1 by 10. That is nothing but 0.1. And you can do it with the integration also, because you know how you can find the value of any constant. -5 to 5 k times dx is nothing but 1. Okay, so k is a constant, it will be x minus 5 to 5, dx will be 1, right? So it will be k into 5 minus 5 equal to 1. It will be k into 10 equal to 1. It will be k equal to 1 by 10. That is nothing but 12. Or you can directly do it from the uniform also. Right? It's clear to everyone? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so you can proceed further and see. This is, there is a hint who don't know the integration thing. There is the hint. If you have the things like that, integration of something a to b, cx, dx, then value of these things will be this. Or if you know the integration, that is the very good things. Okay, so this is the again similar one of the previous one, how to find the value of k, because here see, here it is not given that what is your x follow, means which distribution x follow. In the previous one it was mentioned like uniform, and on the behalf of that you can directly find the value of k, but here it's not mentioned, so you have to apply the concept of PDF. Okay, so just find the value of k and put it the value of k, and then find the value of probability this. I think 5 to 6 minutes will be more than enough to do this.
वो यहाँ पे प्योर गैदरिंग हो, तो इसलिए अब इस पर फॉल्ट स्टार्ट हो चुकी है यहाँ पे अब
If this PMF is something, first of all, full form of PMF is probability mass function. So this is the something, at each value of x, we are check the probabilistic behavior for each value of x by a function, and that function is called probability mass function. That is the something is, what is the PMF? PMF is something, PMF represent as probability x equal to xi. Okay, so probability x equal to xi means for each xi, for each value of x, we are checking the probabilistic behavior, and we distribute, suppose we distribute the probability for each value of x, that is something which is called probability distribution. Okay. Okay, so I think there are only 15 responses. Let's wait for 1 more minute. I think this question is, you get the idea how to solve it, right?
Yeah, sir.
I always getting response from only 1 or 2%. Okay, so 0.3, 0.6, 0.5. Let's see. First of all, for the given PDF, okay, you have to find the value of k, right?
Yes, sir.
So how you will find?
I will integrate the function n equal to 1.
Okay,
So I will,
for hold the range 0 to 1, and you will get
yes, sir.
kx dx, and you will get k into, and integration of x is nothing but x square by 2. It will be 0 to 1, and see, uh, see, this was px dx, okay, equal to 1. And you know, integration of x raised power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, right? Here it will be, k will be outside, so it will be 0 to 1, x times dx equal to 1. Okay, so k into this x power is something 1. If you put 1 in the place of n, it will be x square by 2, right? 0 to 1 equal to 1. So here you can take 2 outside, you will get this quantity. Now first, you know the property. First, you have to put the upper limit, that is 1 square, and minus the lower limit, that is 0 square equal to 1. So you will get k by 2 equal to 1. You will get the value of k as 2, right? So yeah. So what will be your here PDF fx as 2x, and your value range of x is 0 to 1. Now see, you have to find the probability 0.2 to 0.8, right? 0.8 was there. So what will be this? Lower limit is 0.2, upper limit will be 0.8, it will be 2x dx. These things you have to find, right? Is everyone getting this point?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It will be x dx, and you know the integration of x is nothing but 2 times of x square by 2, 0.2 to 0.8, and this 2 will be cancelled out this 2. Okay. What is your last quantity? Your quantity is x square 0.8 to 0.2. Now you have to solve this 0.8 square minus 0.2 square, and whatever this value minus this value. Okay. So you will get the correct answer as 0.6. Okay. It is clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is everyone got the concept
Yes,
how to
sir.
solve the integration things, and how to find the concept, value of constant?
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Yeah.
Okay. So let's move for the last one, and this is the, I think. So just do this question, with a carefulness, because here you have to think. I think, yeah, you can do in the easy way. I don't think. And I think, as I can remember, there is a similar question regarding this one. I think more or less all the questions are similar to the one, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just apply the concept of a uniform distribution, whatever I told to you, and whatever you know. I mean, CDF, PDF, all type of things. Okay, just do this. I think 7 to 8 minutes will be more than enough to solve this question.
Okay, sir.
Sir, hello, sir.
Sir, please move ahead, sir.
Please. Yeah.
Sir, meanwhile, can I ask one question, doubt?
Yeah.
Sir, in graded assignment question number 5, actually, I'm not able to apply the concept how to actually solve that question. Means,
One second.
a specific direction, I'm not getting how to actually apply the concept there.
Okay, this one.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. After finishing the solution of this one, I will give you. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So first, let me see the responses of you. 0.25, again variations I got. See, what is the try to starting what is given. See, it's given that traveling duration of time taken every day by a train is uniformly distributed between 200 and 220 minutes, right? Means what is your x? X will be duration of time which is taken by the every day by a train. Okay. What is your x is here? Your x is here duration of time taken by every day by a train is uniformly distributed between 200 and 220 minutes, right?
Yes, sir.
It's given. And what is the question? Question is probability that the duration of time taken is more than 215 minutes. Means, see, just written one step by step. Probability that x is greater than 215 minutes. Okay. Given that on that day more than 210 minutes. Means, given that on that day more than 210 minutes, means probability of A given
Yes,
B,
sir.
probability of A and
intersection
B
B upon.
divided by probability of B. Okay, so what will be this quantity? This quantity will be probability x greater than 215 and x greater than 210 divided by probability x greater than 210, right? This is,
yes, sir.
You can take it as A, take it as B. Okay. Then tell me what will be this intersection of these two.
X greater than 215.
Okay. Yeah. Right. Because suppose 200 is this one, 220 is this one, 210 is this, 215 is. So more than 215 will be this A region. Okay. And more than 210 will be this region. Suppose this region. So what is common between these two? This region.
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
Means probability of x greater than 250.
Yes.
Right? Got
Yes.
it? And probability x greater than 210. So you got probability x greater than 250 divided by probability x greater than 200. Can I write it as 1 minus probability x less or equal to 250 divided by 1 minus probability x less or equal to 210, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and you know what is this quantity for uniform distribution? Probability x is less or equal to a nothing but x minus a divided by b minus a, and your x is follow uniform 200 to 220. So it will be 215 minus a, that is 200 divided by b minus a is 220 minus 200, right? Whole division 1 minus what is your x? X is here 210 minus 200 divided by 220 minus 200. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what will be this quantity? This quantity will be 20.
Yeah.
And this quantity will be 20. Just 1 second. Yeah, hello. Yeah, sorry, what actually what? Yeah, so okay, what will be this quantity? This will be 50. Okay, this will be 20. This will be 10, and this will be 20.
1 by 1
Okay.
minus 3 by 4.
So yeah, it will be 20 minus 15 divided by 20, and it will be 20 minus 10 by 20, right?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay. So what will be the next step? It will be 5 divided by 20. It will be 10 divided by 20. 20 will be cancelled out. You will get 5 by 10. That is nothing but half. That is nothing but 0.5 is the your answer. Okay. That is just something. You will get the 20 minus 15 by 20, 20 minus 10 by 20. You will get 5 by 10, which is nothing but 0.5. Right? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so thank you very much, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Someone had asked about this. Read for
Yes.
this question. See,
Yeah.
in the question, if you see, what is asking? Length of a time for one person to be served at a restaurant is exponentially distributed with an expected time of 5 minutes. Okay.
Yes.
So your x will be like length of time. Okay.
Yes, sir.
For one person to be served. Okay, like this. Your x will be this. So your x is exponentially distributed for what? Expected time of 5 minutes. Okay.
So here
So
expected
in the
time
question,
means
it is given that like 1 by lambda is given.
yes, sir.
Okay.
It's
Your
3.
1 by lambda is given.
Yeah, 3 minutes. Oh, sorry, 5 minutes.
No, it's 5.
For,
Yeah.
for me
No.
it is 5. 3
For
minutes.
everyone, it's a okay. And in the further, it has been asked like 5 persons arrived at the restaurant. Then what is the probability that at least 2? Okay. So you can think like n will be 5%. Okay. And you have asked about what is the probability that at least 2 of them will be served in more than 7 minutes. So what is your success probability? It has served for more than 7 minutes. Okay. So your success probability you can calculate by this one. Okay. By you can calculate this with the help of exponential, right? And your n equal to 5 and whatever for you value is given, and you have asked about the probability of at least 2%. So at least 2 means you have to calculate that the thing. Okay. And you can do like x equal to 2 plus x equal to 3 plus x equal to 4, or you can do like 1 minus probability x less than 2, right?
So
And
here
your
actually
success proof, yeah.
So here actually x is, I am taking person here too, and earlier I am taking time actually.
No. Here no. Here actually binomial will be used.
Sorry, sir.
Here binomial will be used. See.
Okay.
This success.
Okay, so
This
for
success
2% actually I have.
Probability you yes. Out of 5%, you have to think for
Okay, sir. Expectations in terms of expectations. Yeah, I calculate the time for
And
2
this. Yes.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. So, okay. Anything else?
Actually, you explained about the probability mass function that we are adding each and xi. So, sir, what exactly we can think about the probability density function?
Your voice is not coming too fast. Can you repeat, sir?
So probability mass function, the way you explain, no, it is like addition of all the xi values, right? X1, x2, x3, like that.
I said it's the probability for each value of xi.
Yeah. Similarly, probability density function, how we can just easily understand. Yeah. Probability density function.
PDF. PDF is something which is for continuous random variable.
Yes.
Okay. And PMF is for discrete random variable.
And here we will be considering area under the curve, and there only we will just
and in continuous you have to consider area under the curve. Okay, suppose I'm saying you have to find the probability of x lies between A and B, then you have to find the area under that that both point A and B. That means you can do by the integration one, means integration of A to B and FS dx. FS is something which is the PDF of the given function. Okay, clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you everyone. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Good night, sir.
Good night, sir.
Sir. Sir.
Yeah.
So can you hear me?
Yeah, please.
Sir, sorry, but I have one doubt in the question. Activity 12.2, question number 9.
Okay. Activity
12.2.
Activity, yeah. Question number 9. Yeah. What is your doubt?
Yes, sir. So actually, I was not able to understand how to solve this. Actually, I have solved all the 8 questions, but
okay. See. I have explained earlier. Your x is 0, 10 something.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and you have to find x plus 10 by x greater or equal to 7, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
I can write it as x square plus 10 greater or equal to 7x.
Yes, sir.
Can I write it as like this one?
Yes, sir.
Can I write it as by quadratic equation, something like this? Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you take x as common, it will become x minus 2 minus 5. Again, it will be x minus 2 greater or equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
What will be the factor? It will be x minus 2, x minus 5 greater or equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
Now you have to think little bit. See, your values are from 0 to 10. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Suppose your 5 is here and 2 is here something. So if your x is less, so your x is less or equal to 2, then your this quantity will be greater than equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
Because if x is less or equal to t, 2 means suppose minus 1, then it will be minus 3 and minus 6. Then multiplication of two negative quantity will become positive. Okay.
Positive. Yes, sir.
And And if your x is greater or equal to 5, then this quantity will be greater than equal to 0. Because if you
Yes,
put
sir.
x greater than 5, suppose I put the 6, it will be 4
Positive
into
plus positive.
1, which will be 4. Okay. So you
Yes.
got the two things, means x minus x is less or equal to 2 or x is greater or equal to 5, right?
Yes, sir.
Then all things will be added.
Yes, sir.
What is this? This is CDF of uniform, and your x follow uniform here 0 comma 10. So it will be
10
it will be 2 minus 0 divided by
minus.
10 minus 0 plus
Yes,
you
sir.
can write it as 1
Plus
minus
5.
probability x less or equal to 5.
Yes, sir.
It will be
Yes,
2
sir.
by 10 plus 1 minus it will be 5 by 10. Again it will be
Yes,
2
sir.
by 10 plus 5 by 10 equal to 7 by 10. This is that. I think 0.7 is
Okay.
correct answer, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, got it?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Actually, I was putting directly.
Okay. No,
Actually, yes,
just
yes. Thank you, sir.
twist is you have to think about this quantity. Okay. You
Okay,
got
sir.
this one? Just draw a straight line, you will get the concept.
So here we have taken only those values where we are getting greater than equal to 0.
Yeah, because after solving this equation, you get this quantity. So you have to think about just this quantity. For what values of x, you will get the
Okay, okay. Yes, sir.
positive.
Okay, sir.
Either x will be less than or equal to 2 or x greater or equal
Yes,
to
sir.
5. It will you will get the positive value. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Okay. अंदर की क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने का कुछ नहीं था